What's up, guys? Greg Buckhouse here. Welcome to his channel. The dude is a beast. Ah!
I need a hug. Someone hug me. That was so clean. It was clean too. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome back to the Dome. And today is a special day because not only are we riding with Wyatt, but Wyatt was a skier and he's snowboarding, which is so sick. This is his second time ever snowboarding. He's absolutely killing it. Obviously, this is the start of the vlog. We're gonna get some shots of Wyatt. We're obviously gonna kill the park. It's gonna be an insane day. So enough talking. Let's just jump into it. Let's go. So Wyatt just crushed getting off the lift. I did film a how to get on and off a chairlift video for all the beginners out there. So if you want to check that video out, it's right here. And yeah, he's crushing it. Videos were me doing some pretty stock tricks that I know I can land and that we're gonna ride away from and stuff. But here's the last day here. I don't know the next time we're gonna get on snow. Let's start doing some tricks that I'm more than likely gonna fall. So this might be me falling a bunch, but we're gonna go for some pretty hard tricks. So here we go. Remember Gore? If you don't remember Gore, here's the video. Greg was working on a board, it's like, it wasn't getting it.
I got mashed.
But now, dude, let's go! So clean! Oh, dude. And once again, the first time I ever snowboarded with Greg was here in Big Snow, and you've gotten so much better since then, dude. But we do gotta fix that gap right now. There we go. How's it feel?
Good, clean.
You're becoming awesome. Not that you weren't awesome, but your riding is now matching your awesome level. We're close! We gotta clean those up! That trick before. I'm so hyped. That was worth the entire trip. Front two to the down. I need a hug. Someone hug me.
That was so clean.
It was clean too. Did you see it? Alright guys, learning a new trick is literally the sickest thing you can do in snowboarding. It's what keeps you coming back and back. That's why you can come to a snow dome or do 3 days in a row, hundreds of laps, and like have a blast because you're learning new tricks. Greg can attest to it. Learned a new trick today, or like stomp the board slide. And then I got the cap two, or the front 2.7 on the down. I'm hyped. There's only one thing sicker than learning new tricks, and that's today's sticker shout out. We got Mountain Bike Chick with 3 Evolution stickers on the helmets. Looking insane, guys. Thank you so much for all of you snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the dream. As well as we got Cowboy Kel 6 with the Galaxy sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you snag any of the merch, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts. But also follow the Instagram for just the extra bonus content that's there. So many of you guys have followed my Instagram that we hit 20,000 followers on Instagram this last winter. Like, that hypes me up. We're getting ready for season 6. Who knows what the Instagram's gonna get to. But guys, thank you for following my Instagram and snagging the merch, making these trips possible, because I couldn't do them without you guys snagging the merch. So thank you so much for all the love and support. All right, it's almost lunchtime, but we're so stoked on these tricks. Camera's dying, but dude, I hope we got that pretzel out. I have to see if it's clean. I have no idea. But we're gonna go get lunch real quick, and then we're literally just gonna teleport back to here and ride there later in the day. But it's so nice to be able to, one, go to a food court, get some food in the middle of shredding. That's like normal price, and then having so much fun. Greg, thanks for hyping me up, dude. We're just trying tricks right now. It's so fun. Woo! All right, we just got back from lunch. It's always the worst, because so the energy's a little lower. We left so stoked for lunch, so we got to work back up the energy, the stoke, the flow state, but also because you're sweating a little bit, you know, and then you take off the gear, you go eat, come back, and your gear's a little wet, you're like a little chilly. But this second half, the last half of the trip, is going to be insane. So let's get it. Sketchy. We gotta get it cleaner. We got it. All right, I need to give it just a little bit more. Alright guys, today's been sick. We've gotten some tricks, we've fallen some, we've ran out of speed, and we only have 1 hour left to spend time with Greg. But it's always so sick coming out to the dome with the boy and just beating you guys and just ripping. So overall, I'm hyped, but we got 1 more hour. I don't know if we're gonna film a how-to video, if we're gonna keep battling for features. Just know that we took full advantage of this time here. We got so many videos made, so many clips, and I'm just hyped, and I hope you guys are as hyped on season 6. This is technically still season 5, but season 6 is coming, and it's gonna be even better than season 5 was, and season 5 was epic. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe to not only join the strongest snowboard and ski community on the internet, but once again, you don't want to miss out on season 6. All right, the final countdown, whatever happens, it might be a lot of sick stuff, might be nothing. But it starts with Cody, that's all I know.
Do what?
Yep. Greg went for a fourth line on this. He was close, that was sick.
so close on that.
You were hauling into that.
I know, I got it disrupted.
So, I know I said we were gonna leave it up to Cody, but Greg, once again, stealing the show, bringing the hype. If he gets that board slide from the bump to box, I'm gonna lose it. He killed it! Let's go! Yes, that was so sick. We're in a horrible spot, but that was sick.
Channel takeover
That
right
was
here.
so dope.
Dude, I never
What's
thought
up, guys? Greg Buckhouse here. Welcome to his channel. The dude is a beast. I'm going for one last heavy trick. Scared, guys. I tried it a couple days. I tried it a couple times the other day, or yesterday, and I ate it. But I think we get one more banger out of this trip. Half cab in, 360 out of the down donkey. Here we go. Dude, the crew has been throwing down today. I love it. I died on the setup. All right, guys, this one's Chipmunk, and we're not close. We died with the half cab on, 360 out. But I want it so bad. I can do that trick on a flat bar, but I've never done it on a little kick off. The issue is the speed. One, I'm scared, so I'm going slow. Two, it's already slow, and so I need to go faster, but it's so scary. But Chipmunk, last attempt. We might be leaving a trick in the dome. We might not. We might be leaving victorious. So let's find out. Here we go. Whatever. Give me the camera. It's okay, guys. That's a heavy trick. I'm scared out of my mind doing it. We went for it a couple times. Big Snow, thanks for having us out here. What a sick experience. The bomb hole, it's huge. We made a how to hit or survive a bomb hole video. You can check it out there. We made so many videos here in such a short amount of time. Of course, shout out to Cody, first actual employee of Team Buckhouse right here. Greg, of course, the man, the myth, the legend. What a fun time. Eventually, Michael will show up. Dude, what a sick trip.
Love it.
Dude.
Love this guy.
And overall, guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, smash like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I said that already, but thank you to all the new people to this channel. Season 6 is gonna be insane. This is just a little bit of a hype. We're still in season 5. Season 6 will start when season 5 ends, if any of that makes sense to you. And with that, Team Buckhouse, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video, because it just doesn't stop. Daily content.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.